Hey guys, Sheree Winstead here with Ethics and Community Relations. So glad to have you all. I wanted to take a minute to walk you through some of the basic things that you're going to see in this course. When you open up your course page at the very top, first off, you're going to see your enrollment verification activity right up here. Please go ahead and get this done as soon as possible so that you can go on and move through your work for the course. You will not be able to go forward in this course until it is complete. And we will go over course due dates in just a moment, but this is the first thing you need to go ahead and do. It will not take you long at all. After you complete the activity, you'll be able to complete and upload your orientation certificate here. Going down, you will see your course resources. This is where you can get to your syllabus at any time for the course. This is a Google Doc, so this link will take you directly to the syllabus. You'll also notice that there's a folder here containing your PowerPoints. You'll see all of the PowerPoints here for the chapter. I highly recommend that you utilize these PowerPoints for your assignments and review for the course. It will definitely help you out a lot. Going back, you will also see a little Google link that I've included. If you've never used Moodle before and uploaded an assignment, this is a great short little video that the college has to give you the examples of how to get through that process. Okay, getting into our first week, we're going to be talking about dilemmas and ethics in this course. So hopefully you've never found yourself in one of the situations where you feel you're stranded on an island surrounded by sharks, but that's what we're going to get into. So for this week, I want to make sure that you are going to go through your readings, which is the syllabus. How to pass the syllabus quiz will also be a video that will be posted below, and the ethical dilemma video to help you complete your discussion board. Your assignments for the week, again, are the EVA that's at the course page at the top, your syllabus quiz, and then your forum post. Again, we're going to go over due dates in just a second. What I'd like to walk you through now is your actual syllabus, just to hit some highlights. You can read this on your own later. So if you need to actually get in touch with me, come in and speak with me, something other than an email or a phone call, my hours are from 9 a.m. until 12 p.m. and I am in the advising center on campus at that time frame. That's the top floor of the library. You can always email me or call me, leaving a message. I prefer email. Just note that as the syllabus will go on to tell you later on, I'm going to jump to this, that I will only respond to the calls and emails when I am on campus, and that I'm not on campus during the weekend. So anything that's after hours, you will have to wait until the next business day to hear from me. So if that is in relation to your work, if you email me the night before at 11 p.m., don't expect to hear from me until the very next day. So if your work is due that next morning at 8 a.m., that's waiting too long to get in touch with me about the assignment for that week. Okay, so let's go back to the top. You have your book that's covered Justice, Crime, and Ethics. Your grading for this course will be categorized through assignments, discussion exercises, your midterm and final exam. Each of those categories will be 25% of your grade. When we go into discussion exercises, and you can see a little bit more of this when you get into the discussion exercise for this week for that video, you will notice that I'll have a topic picked out for you, and it will depend on the source as to how you respond. I use Padlet, I use discussion forums, just various activities. And this is more of the critical thinking exercise for the week. So when you see the topic, for instance, it may be something asking you how you feel the color green relates to how the world operates on an environmental perspective. Just pulled that out of my head. That's not really a real question. I would want you to elaborate on your response to that, and we'll get more into that as you go into the next video. When you respond to discussion exercises, I expect for you, the student, to respond with your initial thoughts by Thursday at 5 p.m. that the assignment comes out. So being that our class starts on Wednesday, everything will open up for the course that will be due the following Wednesday at 8 a.m. So when everything opens at 8 a.m. on that Wednesday, You will see your discussion forum. I need you to go in there and type up your information before Thursday at 5 p.m. to get full credit for this discussion exercise. The reason I have you do that is because if everyone has to respond to a student and everyone waits until the next Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. to put their initial thoughts in, no one is going to be able to have time to do their response to a classmate. So to get full credit for your discussion exercises, make sure you post initially by Thursday at 5 p.m. the week that it comes out. Then have your response done to a classmate by the following Wednesday at 8 a.m. So again, all of your assignments will run from Wednesday to Wednesday. You will have until that following Wednesday at 8 a.m. to complete them in their entirety. The only thing that is different is that you need to remember by Thursday at 5 p.m. you have to have your initial response done. Late work is not accepted without proper documentation, and you will see the policy link below for the college about how late work can be correlated in terms of absences. If you look at the approved absences, that's what we will look at in the college procedures for those. You have an entire week to get your work done for me, so please make sure you pay careful attention to your deadlines and get that done within the week. Just to touch that, yes, you have your channels to be able to check when the school is closed. Here you have your attendance policies. If you have 2 consecutive weeks of no attendance to this course, meaning you have not actually completed something in the course, logging into the course page does not count as your attendance. You have to actively be engaged in the course, doing some portion of the work. I hope that you'll do all of the work each week because it will affect your grade. And if you have any questions about your grade, please get in touch with me and see where you can improve, or for any clarification throughout the entire course, get in touch with me. I have an open door policy. I would rather you understand what's going on than have any lingering questions and not do the best work that you could submit. We have a potential schedule. Again, we're going to be in hurricane season and all kinds of weather in North Carolina happens, so this is what we are going to tentatively aim for. The beauty about an online course is that you do not have to come to campus for it. So even when the campus is actually closed because of weather, you unfortunately do not have that privilege because you are online. Sorry, guys. We do have our college closed dates. It will not affect your work. You will see that the due dates will work around this schedule, but if you do have a seated class, these are the dates that you know the college will be closed if your classes meet on these dates. Again, if you have any questions about the syllabus or the course in general throughout the entire course, please contact me. There is a quiz about the syllabus that I do need you to pass with a 90 or above. You have unlimited chances to get this quiz done. This just helps ensure that you understand how the course is going to work, and if you have any questions, hopefully that will help clear it up. And again, if not, contact me. So glad to have you all, and I look forward to learning more and more about you as we go through the course. And please, again, get in touch with me anytime you guys need anything.